Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you watch my previous video discussion, I am discussing there on how to use the BIR alpha list, how to prepare TO307, how to extract and to Excel file, and how to validate the file. Okay? So ngayon naman, we are going to discuss on how to prepare a 1601 EQ or quarterly expanded withholding tax. Okay? So first, you will click this form, the EBIR form, and then next the BIR form, and then this is now the image of EBIR form. So we will start. So this is the taxpayer identification number, RDO code, line of business, taxpayer's name or registered name, registered address, zip code, telephone number, email address. Okay? So guys, itong lahat ng information na ilalagay natin dito, makikita niyo naman po ito doon sa COR. Okay? So like for example, we will use the tin number 009-988-912-000. Okay? Guys, if you watch my previous video discussion, the same information ang ginagamit natin dito. Okay? So, like RDO code 49. Okay? Line of business restaurant. And then, dito guys, remember, if the taxpayers is an individual, then we will use his or her last name, first name, and middle name. If non-individual naman, then we will use the registered name. Okay? So now we will proceed. List of BIR forms. Dito po natin mahanap kung anong forms yung i-fill outan natin. So, sa ngayon, ito po. Hanapin po natin yung 1601 EQ or quarterly remittance return of creditable income taxes withheld expanded. So, or this is the form of 1601 EQ or quarterly remittance return of creditable income tax withheld expanded. Okay, so for the year, so we will use here 2019, and for the quarter, example, if you wish to file a return for the second quarter, then we will click here the second quarter. So this is our example for today, second quarter. And then if this is amended return, then we will click here the yes. And if it is not amended return, then we will click no. Okay? So in our example, we will click no. We will use no. Okay? And any taxes withheld. So if there is any taxes withheld, then we will use yes. And if there's no taxes withheld, and then we will click no. Okay? However, in our example, we will click yes. Okay? Number of sheets attached, no, 0. Okay, so guys, this information are automatically generated by the system. So we'll proceed to item number 11. So category of withholding agent. So guys, if the taxpayer is a private, then we will select the private. And if the taxpayer is government, then we will select the government. However, in our example, we will use private, okay? Then the ATC or the alphanumeric tax code. So guys, if you have various ATCs or multiple ATCs, then click this one and select those ATCs or alphanumeric tax code, which is makikita po natin yan doon sa alpha list na in-extract natin doon sa alpha list BIR form. Okay? So in our example, we will use WI010, which is pertaining to the tax current income did not exceed 3 million, and also WC100, which is pertaining also to the rentals. Okay, this is 5% rentals or lease, and also for WC120, which is purchase of services, and WC158, purchase of goods. So if you are done, click OK. So okay, this is now the feature. So here, tax-based consolidated for the quarter. Ang ibig sabihin po yan for this quarter. In our example, from April to June. So, for example, the total tax base for April to June is 100,000. Under WI010, 100,000. Example also dito, 120,000. Example also 100,000. Example also 120,000 under WC158, which is makikita pa natin ito lahat doon sa BIR alpha list na ina-extract natin sa Excel. So, kung hindi nyo pa po alam yon, please watch my video discussion on how to use BIR Alpha List. Andun po siya, okay? So, we will proceed. Automatic na po siya nag-generate. Then our total taxes withheld for the quarter is 14,200. And then less remittances made first month of the quarter. Ibig sabihin, if second quarter po ngayon, kung binayad po natin nung April, ibabawas po natin dito. For example, binayad natin nung April is 2,000. And then the second month of the quarter or May, binabayad po natin 3,000. Ayan. And then if ever po, kung amended return ito, then meron tayong binayad sa previous return na binabayad natin, dito po natin yon ibabawas. Okay? If naman po, meron tayong over remittance from previous quarter of the same taxable year, ibig sabihin, kung 2019 ngayon, tapos yung first quarter natin, meron tayong over remittance doon. So, yun po yung over remittance natin doon, gagamitin natin yun at ibabawas natin dito. Okay? So, in our example, we will put here 0. Okay? Then the total tax still due. Okay? We have 9,200. Surcharge, interest, and compromise. Okay? So if everything is okay, and then we'll proceed to validate. For validation, the file. Okay? Okay, guys. If you wish to modify your entry, then click edit, and then validate again. And then if everything is okay, then save the file. Okay? Just save the file. And then guys, print this form into 3 copies and then submit. So once this form is submitted to the BIR, now we will wait the reference number sent from the BIR. Pag natanggap na po natin yan, yung reference number na po yun ay ipiprint natin into 3 copies also. Then after that, we will print also the alpha list. Okay? The alpha list, which is already discussed in my previous video discussion, into 3 pieces. After nun, we will go to the bank or directly to the BIR to pay the appropriate taxes. And that's all. Alright? Okay, thank you. Guys, if you like my video discussion, please don't forget to click the like button below. And if you wish to share my ideas to other person, then you can share this video discussion. And if you want more updates or more video discussion, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Okay, thank you.